Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you can see, it's a push to start proximity key. Right now the machine is trying to acquire the PIN code from the vehicle. We're hooked up into the OBD port. Here's the password, 2683, keyless system. And we're going to be doing key learning. The password is already in it. And the machine is going to ask us to press the unlock button repeatedly until it gets the signal. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to put it in the armrest as well, down here, and it automatically took it. I like to put my key down there because that's where the receiver is. 3 keys. Do we want to learn the second one? No. Procedure is done. Job is complete. Thank you for watching.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.